secret of happy life is given to the God. With this thought, I am Nandini, behalf of Raman House, wishing to all of you very cheerful morning. So, join your hand, close your eyes and be ready for prayer.
This life is yours, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. I walk through dangers every day. You are my protector always. I walk through dangers every day. You are my protector always. Mistake keeps happening through me. Lord, forgive and clean me. Mistake keeps happening through me. Lord, forgive and clean me. May I graze on your face and walk, having been like you and stand. Take me in your hands and let me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your soul, hold me tight, Lord. A storm is dragging outside, my trust is in you. Take me in your soul, hold me tight, Lord. A storm is dragging outside, my trust is in you. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. You are my shepherd, O Lord. You are my shepherd, O Lord.
As a citizen of India, we have some duties for our country. Be ready for pledge.
Be ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
News makes understanding what happened around the world. So, let's see some news headlines.
government school students will join medical colleges. Smart classroom project. Particular start upgrading government school to sensitive models. Hold assembly elections session first before reopening schools. Goa. Set parents. Bihar Assembly election candidates shot at in Samastipur. Parliament winter season may get skipped clubbed with budget session. Thank you.
Good morning. Here I am Richa Grary from Raman House with some sports news. Novak Djokovic beats Swordsman 6-3 and 6-2 at ATP final. Aubameyang and Gabon teammates forced to sleep on airport floor. East Bengal apply for club licensing expansion. Sports Ministry sanctioned ₹10 lakh for Olympian MP Singh's treatment. 3 Ukraine players test positive for COVID-19 before match with Switzerland. Some business news. Fujitsu launches ultralight, secured and full-featured live book U9 311 business notebook, red fine, lightweight business, ultra portable. Emirates has been rated the safest airline in the world in its response to the COVID-19 pandemic according to the Safe Travel Barometer. IT companies target growth from AWS, Google and Azure unit within cloud practice. Thank you and have a nice day.
It is very important because it announced to our past. Let's see the today's history.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vishesh Mani Misra. I study in class 7C. I am going to present here this history of the day 16 November. 16 November 1776, British troops captured Fort Washington during the American Revolution. 16 November 1871, the National Rifle Association of America was first chartered in the state of New York. 16 November 1885, Canadian rebel Louis Riel was excited for high treason. Thank you.
And let's see some GK cues.
Good morning to everyone. Here this is Arpita on the behalf of Raman House going to present some GK quiz. Your first question is, which one of the following river flows between Vindhya and Satpura? Your options are A. Narmada, B. Mahanadi, C. Son and D. Yamuna. Your correct answer is A. Narmada. Your second question is, where was the electricity supply first introduced in India? Your options are A. Mumbai, B. Dehradun, C. Darjeeling and D. Chennai. Your correct answer is C. Darjeeling. Your third question is, at the room temperature, which one of the metal that is in liquid form? Your options are A. Iron, B. Aluminium, C. Mercury and D. Silver. Your correct answer is D. Silver. Your fourth question is, which organ of the human body does a Alzheimer's disease affect? Your options are A. Ear, B. Brain, C. Eyes and D. Stomach. Your correct answer is B. Brain. Your fifth question is, deficiency disease of which of the following vitamin causes the disease of slow blood clotting? Your options are A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin E and D. Vitamin K. Your correct answer is D. Vitamin K. Your sixth question is, Golden Temple, Amritsar is India's. Your options are A. Largest Gurudwara, B. Oldest Gurudwara, C. Both A and B and D. None of these. Your correct answer is A. Largest Gurudwara. Your seventh question is, the planet which is maximum number of satellite is. Your options are A. Saturn, B. Venus, C. Jupiter and D. Mars. Your correct answer is C. Jupiter. Your eighth question is soda water contain. Your options are A. Carbonic acid, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrous acid. Your correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Your ninth question is sodium metal is kept under. Your options are A. Petrol, B. Alcohol, C. Water, and D. Kerosene. Your correct answer is D. Kerosene. Your 10th and last question is the element common to all acid is. Your options are A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon, C. Sulfur, and D. Oxygen. Your correct answer is A. Hydrogen. Thank you and
Exercises are very important to our life. We ready for morning warm up. the brave soldiers and armies, we ready for national anthem.